Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize with New York Life for policy account login, quick tutorial step by step clearly. Open your web browser and navigate to the New York Life website. Locate the login option on the home page. Click on the login button. You will be directed to the account login page. Here, find and click on the register for online access option. You will need to provide some personal information to create your account. Fill in your first name, last name, and email address. Enter your policy number to verify your identity. Create a strong password that meets the site's security criteria. After filling in the required fields, click the Continue button. Check your email for a verification message from New York Life. Open the email and click on the verification link. Return to the login page after verifying your email. Enter your email address and newly created password in the login fields. Click the Login button to access your policy account. Once logged in, you can manage your policy and access important documents. If you encounter issues, check the FAQ or contact customer support for assistance. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.